Hello, Rachel Shannon here, your in-house engineer and designer. For this month's activity, we'll be building a mini solar car. This video will help you get started on the solar car activity. Always be sure to read through the instructions first. Let's go through some vocabulary. Solar energy is a type of energy given off by the sun in the form of light and heat that can be used to make electricity. A motor is a machine that converts electrical energy into physical movement, such as spinning. Gears are mechanical parts that look like wheels with teeth that fit together to transmit or receive force and motion. Some tips before we begin. Charge the solar cell under direct sunlight for a few hours. If you want to make the included solar car kit reusable for use with different groups, use Velcro or tape to attach the motor and solar panel for easy removal. Don't want to use a pre-made kit? Supply the alternative materials listed and design your own solar car with supplemental information found in the Learning Extensions section on page 4. Let's get started with the solar car activity. For materials, we need a solar car kit included in the InventSTEM kit. Lay out the pieces and organize them into groups to make assembly easier. The kit should include 4 wheels, a chassis, 4 spacers, solar cell and motor, 4 brackets, 1 axle with gear, a separate axle, miniature screwdriver, 10 nuts, and 10 screws. Start with the chassis, the body of the car. 8 screws, 8 nuts, 4 brackets, and a screwdriver. You can use your own screwdriver if you'd like. Let's attach the axles and spacers. You may need to slide the gear on the axle so that it fits properly. As you put the spacers on, make sure to leave a small gap so that it doesn't rub on the bracket. Next, let's attach the 4 wheels. Finally, let's attach the motor and the solar cell. Align the teeth of the small gear on the motor with the larger gear so that they make contact and rotate. Once you've gotten them online, remove the adhesive backing and attach the motor and solar cell to the body of the car. Peel off the protective plastic on the solar cell. Make sure the solar cell is charged by placing it under direct sunlight if you haven't done so already. With a little push, the solar car should start driving. Also, don't forget to check out the Maker Challenge at the bottom of the activity sheet. Using your knowledge of how solar power works, design something using solar energy. This can be a solar-powered boat, a solar-powered plane, a solar-powered home, or anything you can think of. Create a drawing, a sketch, or a model or prototype with your solar-powered idea. Let us know what you've done by using the hashtag InventSTEMChallenge. Thank you to Align Energy for sponsoring InventSTEM.